So y'all want to know what's going on with SlimePack underscore 392's charger, huh? What is up, guys? Welcome on back to TK's Garage. Look at y'all, man. Y'all got 3 videos today. Y'all are gluttons for videos. I got a follow-up for you guys today. You guys have been asking me non-stop, what is the status? What is going on with SlimePack underscore 392's charger? Now, look, you guys know I've been bidding on this thing crazy since April, right? Nothing has changed there. I'm going to show it to you guys now, but something is about to change. I finally got hit up by somebody at Copart, and they let me know, you know, what the status is, what's going on with it, and I can show it to you guys now. Now it's going to change. Now it says here that I've been outbid, right? You can see it's still pending. But when I click on it now, it's just now been refreshed, and you see it says I haven't bid. So I will take care of that here in a minute. We're going to go ahead and we're going to bid. Let's see. We're going to bid $25,000. We're going to go ahead and bid that right there. We're going to click bid now. We're going to confirm our bid. Confirm. And that's it. We're in there. Now, here's the thing with this. Before it said future, and it still says future, and I'll tell you what the holdup has been with SlimePack's car. The holdup with the car has been the title, and I don't know if the state of North Carolina has been having issues getting titles. I haven't seen that because every other vehicle that I've processed or sold here recently, like you guys can see here, like all the certificates of titles, and I have several of them here for several vehicles I've done, have been pretty quick. I haven't had any issues with getting title off of cars that I bought from Copart. Only this one. And, you know, we've won this car now three or four times, and you guys have watched. We've done the live auction. You guys have seen me bid on it, win it. And then title is pending, and we're waiting. But there's different types of title pending. Title can be pending, and you can take possession of the car. And then they reset the auction consistently because they don't have proper documentation for the vehicle yet. That's where we're at with SlimePack underscore 392's charger. Now, I truly foresee that changing in the next 24 to 48 hours. And the second, you guys know this, the absolute second we can get our hands on it, we're going to do it. The good news is, now this is a spoiler for tomorrow's video. I'm giving it away for you guys now. As you guys saw that, I think in the last video, I was coming back from Vegas to Oklahoma City, and you guys that have been following me on Instagram knew I had to fly out, and things were crazy, and the truck with the transmission and everything else. Oh, and I don't even know if, depending on what order you guys see the videos, you guys are going to be like, well, this is out of order. Well, this is why. I'm trying to get this out for you guys now because I literally got like 15 comments about it today, and I was like, let me do an update on it to let you guys know where I'm at. So it's not like we don't want to get started on it. The sponsorship is still active. The sponsorship covers $25,500 towards that vehicle. So like my cost or what I may end up having to put out to get it is going to be very small, if at anything. So this is why I'm not stressed about it. So let me turn my vents on. Ooh, it's hot. So we're going to get that done. I am going to be heading back to North Carolina, in case you didn't know that. USAA, and this, like I said, this is going to be a spoiler for you guys on the video for tomorrow. USAA did reach out. I've been speaking with managers over multiple, like managers that, there's like 3. There's one that handles the West Coast, one that handles the middle, and one that handles the East Coast. And I've been talking to the one that handles the middle and the East Coast like crazy. And then I talked to the executive at Gerber Collision. That's the company that's buying Collision Works, Birdman Hand Rub. Now, I know you're going to say, well, TK said Birdman Hand Rub. I'm going to cover all that tomorrow, what that means, what's going to happen, what's going on with the car. The shop threw away my seats. What? All of that is coming in tomorrow's video. And yeah. Shout out to the squad over there at USA, though, these managers that have now reached out to me because they're like, okay, you're a car guy. I know you're not stupid. I know you can put this car together. But we got it worked out. It's going to go to a shop in North Carolina to be finished and fix the trash and other crap that they have done to the paint, like all those little hairs and dents and crap. They're going to strip it and fix it the appropriate way. Now, whether that means they're going to reskin it, they're going to actually put this on the machine and check the A-pillars and make sure everything lines up. All the stuff that Collision Works didn't do. And I'm still like this to Collision Works. Pound sand. I don't care. They've been in their feelings the last 24 hours because y'all have been over in their comment section roasted. Hey, man, that's what happens. But as far as the car goes for Slime Pack, nothing has changed in that aspect. I really want to get my hands on that car. I want to get it on the lift. I want to start tearing stuff off, getting stuff done, but not just me. Like, the person you're going to see, and I know she's busy. We've already talked about this multiple times. She's extremely busy. She works like crazy. You guys don't understand the dedication and the time that woman is putting in to get y'all content. Do y'all realize the dedication and the time that she puts in to get y'all content? She works crazily, man. And then night shift, the whole nine, gets home, edits videos for y'all, man. If y'all have not subscribed to SlimePack_392, man, as my homegirl would say, stop playing with slime, man. Go subscribe to her channel. Do that shit expeditiously. Do it now. You know what I'm saying? Like, click off my... Fuck me. Go subscribe to that channel and go look at the latest video. But I'm serious, though. I'm going to have her working on the car. I'm going to try to show her everything that I know. And here's the thing. A lot of the stuff that's going on with this Charger is all going to be bolt-on. Outside of some core support stuff that I'm also going to show her how this works, but there may be some small parts that need to be welded or pulled or whatever. And we'll get to that part. But most of the stuff that we're going to put together, as she has time, we're going to have her... I'm going to show her how this works. It's going to bring totally different content to her channel. And she's going to rebuild slime. And it's going to be, you'll see some videos about it on my channel, but majority of that content is going to be on hers. So if you haven't subscribed to SlimePack_392, you need to go do it, and go do it ASAP. With that said, that's pretty much it, guys. I don't have anything else, man. I just wanted to give you guys an update and let you guys know what is going on. Oh, have you heard the news? Yeah. If you haven't heard the news, the Green Monster is a beast. Anyways, I took some cool photos and stuff with it when I just got back to OKC. You guys may have seen some of those on Instagram. I got some other photos again on top. The last time I had it in Vegas, I think we were on top of Mirage. And this time, I got some good photos of it on top of Harrah's. And you can tell the difference because we don't have any stickers on the car now. You know, there's no... But that's coming soon. That is coming soon. We will get that done. Now that I am back here, I did talk to Lettering Express. Hopefully I didn't say their name wrong. But they're going to do all of the stuff on the car, or give me the stencils, because this is... So they were going to install the stuff on the car, but now they're going to give me everything to put on the car, because this car has to go back to North Carolina, and they may end up stripping the paint down the side, and I don't want to have stickers on it, and they got to restrip it, and I got to make these stickers. We're not doing all that. But anyways, there is your update on SlimePack_392's slime green Charger. Again, go follow her on Instagram, TikTok. I don't know if she has a Twitter, but you might go stalk over there too. But Instagram, don't stalk. Let me stop. I'm trolling. Instagram, TikTok, YouTube, go subscribe, all right, and go buy some of her merch. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna link her stuff in the description down below. And don't get mad. I don't want to hear nothing in the comments. TK, how come we're not seeing the rebuild on your channel? I told you where to go see it. Go subscribe to her channel, and you'll see it. With that said, I hope you guys have a wonderful day. Be safe. Don't do nothing that I wouldn't do, which ain't much. It's literally beer 30. I'm about to go get me a beer and break in my brand new green. I know y'all done seen like every color of the flip. I done had every color of this joint. And the green is my favorite color. The favorite color. Now the black is what I'm filming with today. And I know you're going to say, nah, I have like every color of the flip. I like it. I like them a lot. Let me see if I can show this to you. Boop. Oh, it doesn't show up on there, huh? I was trying to make it show up on here, but I guess that doesn't. Oh, I got to do this. Now it works. I don't know how to make the outside, whatever. So you guys can see the other fold up on the dash. Anyways, it doesn't matter. Hopefully you guys enjoyed today's video. That was just a bunch of fuckery. Hit the thumbs up button if you haven't already. Hit the subscribe button if you hadn't already. Stay tuned. Lots more content coming soon. Tomorrow's video will be dealing with USAA and them making it right and fixing the issues and what exactly is going to happen with the Green Monster. And I believe we have an IAA auction as well tomorrow. We might actually do that live. You guys might get to see some live bidding. If you're interested in that, make sure you hit the subscribe button. But anyways, guys, with that said, thank you guys very much for watching. I truly appreciate it, and I will catch you guys on the next one. Peace. Whoopsie!